A cancer treatment giving patients new hope. Doctors say it's effective with very few side effects. And this treatment is right here in the Valley. Dr. John Kressel of Phoenix Cyberknife Center. He's here with how they can help you. Always good to see you, Dr. Kressel.
Thank you.
All right, a lot of people watching today, there isn't anybody who will not raise their hand in the room knowing somebody who's affected with cancer. Tell us, explain to us, what is Cyberknife and what makes it different?
So there's three main tools that we have when we're helping our patients with cancer or oncology. There's surgery, there's chemotherapy, and there's radiation therapy. And radiation therapy has a number of different types of treatment. Cyberknife is the most advanced form. It's the most precise, most accurate way of delivering radiation therapy in such a way that you can actually target the tumor and avoid dose or avoid radiation going to the surrounding normal tissue, because it's the only treatment device that actually moves with the patient. So it's always on target. All
right, describe to me what a treatment is like. We've met many patients, and actually we've been to your facility before. And when you say it moves, so for example, if somebody comes in with, let's say, lung cancer, you still have to breathe.
Yep.
And that's what you mean by moving.
Yep.
It literally follows the target.
Yep. So anywhere in the body, but lung cancer is a great example of if you've got a lung cancer that's moving and you can have the radiation beam track it and move with it, then you don't have to treat a very large area to compensate for that movement, because you would have to be treating a lot of normal surrounding lung tissue in order to make sure you're not missing the cancer.
Right, and breast cancer is another good example, especially if it's on the left side.
Yep, because you want to avoid the heart. So breast cancer, lung, prostate, brain, spine, we use it for every type of cancer.
And we're looking at the facility right now, and this machine, it looks a little intimidating, I know, but you don't hear anything? Do you feel anything?
No, I tell patients it's kind of like a really large dental x-ray. The device kind of looks the same. It moves around you. It never gets any closer than 3 feet. It never touches you. And during the treatment, there's no sensation. So there's no burning, there's no pain. You don't really feel anything during the therapy.
I know that some of your patients have actually enjoyed coming in. They get to listen to music and relax and then carry on with their day. And that's really probably one of the other unique features, is there is no downtime with this treatment.
For many cancer patients, depending on their treatment, yes, there is very little to no recovery. The majority of our patients actually get treatment and then go on, whether they're going to go play golf or go back to work. They just kind of come in for their therapy and go back to what they normally do.
And a lot of people come in, Dr. Kressel, with you, who found out about you sometimes on their own, doing their own due diligence. What would you say to anybody sitting at home right now? Maybe they've just been affected by this and they don't know where to turn. Maybe their doctors don't even know about Phoenix Cyberknife. What would you tell them?
Well, radiosurgery, which is the technique for Phoenix Cyberknife treatments, is something that's relatively new. So not every physician's been trained in it. Not everybody knows what it actually is capable of doing. They're not up to date. So you have to be your own advocate. Either you can try to read on your own, or get second opinions to really find out what all the options are for you before you make a decision.
Yeah, or they can reach out to you and ask the question, because I know that's one thing that you will do, is get back to them. We're going to have one of actually Dr. Kressel's patients on in just a little bit. Fred is going to be on to explain his experience. If you have any questions at all for Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Center, you can email them to info@pcroc.com. Here's where they're located: 4611 East Shea Boulevard in Phoenix, 602-441-3845. You can also learn a lot of information on the website. It's phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.